I'm not going to turn around because, trust me, wouldn't help. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann, and today I am doing Wantable. I'm going to give them another chance. I kind of swore off of them a few months ago, but I thought I would try them again. I didn't give them enough feedback on the boxes that were not good. I was just like, these are terrible, take them back, and didn't give them any feedback. The other reason is that they have continued to email me. Sometime along the way, somebody used my referral link. So I thought, okay, now I have a credit, so now's the time to try them again. There will be a referral link. I have had problems with Wantable and their referral link. Let me know if you've had any problems too. I will have a referral link down below if I possibly can. Thank you for being here. Thanks for being a subscriber. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. I do lots of unboxings and occasionally I throw some other things in there. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what other kinds of things I want to do while staying pretty busy outside of my YouTube life. So let me know what you think, give me any suggestions, but thanks for being here and please like and subscribe. Let's get into this box. Wantable does do a really good job of personalizing it. This says styled for Ann. I see denim and I see sweaters, hopefully light sweaters. Oh, I see a couple of pairs of jeans. So let's get into this. Always a return envelope, which I've not seen an orange one before, but here you go. Postage paid both ways. And then the other thing, you can send it back postal service, USPS or UPS, which that's a good thing to give you a choice. My stylist is Scott. I have had him before. He was my last stylist. He says that these pieces can be mixed and matched to make several different looks. I combined pretty colors, unique details, and soft fabrics to give your wardrobe a total warm weather refresh. I would love to hear your feedback on these pieces at self-checkout. Remember that if you find 5 or more items, you get 20% off, and that's another thing. 5 or more and you get 20% off. So, and their styling fee is like $21.65. At least that's what it was last time I did Wantable. Okay, let's see what we have here. I do have some jewelry. This is the mountain necklace in gold by Fame Accessories, $28. That's cute. It's just a little mountain range. Not my style. I do think it's cute. Probably won't try it on. Then next, this is the cotton mix knit V-neck top in raspberry, size small. Oh, okay, wait. Let me see. Where's the? Yep. Okay, here's the front V-neck, and then in the back, it's got the little strap across the back. It's cute. It's got the kind of the, what do you call that? Heathered? Is that what you'd call that? Okay, there's that. And then this is the Jazlyn Rib Hachi dress in Indigo by Z Supply. I need to tell them that not to send me these dresses because I'm not gonna wear. I do think they're really cute. I like this material. It's a ribbed material. It's got this kind of side slits on both sides. Does it have pockets? It seemed like it might have had pockets. Nope. It is cute. I just think I've passed that kind of pattern or that kind of look for me. This is the Jackson Side Tie Tank and Clove by Gentle Fawn, and this feels really good. It's really soft. This is cute. This is really cute. Like I say, feels really good. Okay, and then the last top is the Florence Slub Top in Vintage Black by Z Supply. And this is cute. It's very cute. It's got a V-neck, and then it's got some ribbing around the the neck, and then the sleeves are a little bit flouncy, it looks like. Almost pleated, but not pleated, if I can get in there. But cute sleeves. Okay, and then to the jeans. These are the button fly. These are the Connie high-rise ankle skinny with button fly in personal. I cut from the cloth. I think I've tried these before. Or maybe I have these. I do have one pair of button flies, but these are cute. I'm just pretty much jeaned out. And then last we have Marley Cuffed Girlfriend in Sierra Vista by Liverpool. Now these I know I've not tried on before. They've got a good amount of distressing for me. I like a little bit. These are really cute. All right, let me go try these on and see what we think. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the Jazlyn Rib Hachi dress in Indigo by Z Supply, $68. This is a size 2-4. It is a really cute dress. I cannot take that away from it. It is not for me. It's just everything, like I said about the last one, and I don't know if I've published that video or not. I think I have. It had another dress very similar to this as far as style, and this one's a little more, because this one's a little more stretchy, but this is, to me, this is a you gotta wear Spanx, and I am not interested in that, and I'm not going to turn around because trust me, wouldn't help things, but I'm just, no, too much going on with me, and have to really suck in the tummy, but I do think it is a super cute dress. I was on somebody else, really cute. $68. These are the Connie high-rise ankle skinny with button fly, size 2. I cut from the cloth, and I think they're cute. I like them. You can see I cuffed this side because they're pretty long. You can see on this side, and they're kind of bunched. They're super long, so I cuffed them, which I think is really cute. They do have the button fly, and they've got not really any distressing, just some faded. This is the Jackson side tie tank in Clove by Gentle Fawn. This is a cute top. This is not for me. I just don't. I don't like it on me. So this one will be going back for sure. Okay, I'll be back with the next top. This is the cotton mix knit V-neck top in raspberry by Cozy Company. Not sure. I don't like this top. It's got the cute little detail around the V-neck. Then it's got get around the tags, it's got the back V and then the line across. I have it front topped. Let me untuck it and show you. I think it's a little longer in the back, right? But this doesn't do a thing for me. I thought it looked kind of big when I first saw it. It is a small, but no, this one won't be a no. Okay, this is the Florence Slub Top in Vintage Black by Z Supply. And the same jeans, the buttonfly jeans. I just did a front tuck. I think this is a cute top. Is it cute enough that I would add it to my collection of black t-shirts? I don't know. I'll have to look back and see. I like that it's got these cute little flouncy sleeves and the V-neck. All right, let me do the wrap up and a little bit of explaining. Okay, these Liverpool jeans were a size 2 and I could not get them zipped up. So very depressing, but I may think about exchanging them for a 4, but not sure, because I do think they're cute and I do love Liverpool. These were, and I didn't give any prices, so I'm going to give you the prices now. These are $98, so standard Liverpool price. This necklace, let me show you to you again, is $28. Mountain necklace in gold by Frame Accessories. I think it's pretty. It's not my, it's just like I said, it's just not my thing. This is the Jackson Side Tie Tank and Clove by Gentle Fawn, $44. And this is not, this will be a no for me. And then this top, Cotton Mixed Knit and Raspberry by Cozy Co, $44. Not a bad price, but don't think it's that cute. And then I do think that this little dress is super cute. Oh, here comes the mailman. Okay, I do think this dress is really, really cute. Jazlyn rib Hachi dress in Indigo, size 2 to 4, Z Supply, $68. And for somebody, my daughter, super cute. It is a really, really cute dress, and it feels really good. It's a great weight. It'd be really cool in the hot weather, but definitely not for me today. And then these are the Connie high-rise ankle skinny by Cut From The Cloth, $89. I do like them. I have so many jeans now that I don't know if I would want to exchange and get another pair, or if I would like to keep these. I do think they're cute. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. And then this top is by Z Supply, $46. I'll have to think about this too. I've got the $25 credit, and then I've got the $21.65 styling fee. So I will keep something. Probably this. And I'll watch the video back too and make my decision, because it will either be one of the jeans, exchange the Liverpool, or this pair like Cut From The Cloth, or keep this top would be the choices that I would make. Let me give you this merchandise total, $417. And I guess the two jeans kind of up that price, but that doesn't seem like a lot for $400. The Keep 5 discount would be $83.40, which would bring it down to $333.60 minus the styling fee credit, $21.65. So that would bring it down to $341.47, and with my $25 credit. So, but that is not happening. So anyway, that is it for this Wantable try. I am going to give Scott some feedback, and I'll give them another try, because this wasn't terrible. I'll try them again and see what happens. But that is it for this Wantable box, this Wantable try again. Let me know what you think. I will see you next time, y'all. Bye-bye.